Hello everyone. If you have just purchased a new phone, you have probably seen two options, Verizon Mobile Protect and AppleCare. They both promise protection, but the real question here is which one actually going to give you better value in 2026. So first of all, let's understand this. These two are built differently. AppleCare is made by Apple only for the Apple devices, while Verizon Mobile Protect works with multiple phones on Verizon. So when we talk about the pricing, because that's where most of the people start. So AppleCare is cheaper, starting around $10 per month. Verizon Mobile Protect costs more, which is around $16 to $19 per month. So straight away, AppleCare wins in terms of pricing. When we talk about coverage, so both the plans cover the damage, theft, and loss, but they handle things differently. AppleCare is going to give you unlimited repairs for accidental damage with support directly from Apple. Verizon Mobile is going to give you the unlimited claims and even free cracks screen repairs with no deductible. So with AppleCare, you go directly to the Apple stores or authorized centers, usually means that faster and more reliable service. With Verizon, repairs and the replacements are handled by third party, and sometimes you may get a refurbished replacement device instead of the brand new one. So if we talk about some of the extra features, so Verizon Mobile Protect includes added benefits like tech support, security tools, and identity protection. AppleCare focuses more on the premium support or device performance like battery replacement if health drops. So if you want cheaper cost, better service quality, and direct Apple support, you can go with AppleCare. But if you want more coverage, flexibility, theft protection, and extra features, then Verizon Mobile Protect is a better choice. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.